Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's start with today's top health news. Haryana, 5-year government service or 25.77 lakh penalty for MBBS graduates under bond policy. MBBS students in Haryana's government colleges must either pay a bond of 23.19 lakh for females and 25.77 lakh for males, or complete 5 years of compulsory government service after graduation. For MBBS students at government-aided MAMC Agroha, the bond is 21.9 lakh for males and 19.71 lakh for females. According to the service incentive bond policy detailed in the Government Gazette dated 14th of August 2024, candidates must sign a tripartite bond involving the candidates, a bank and the government through the admitting instructions. The policy further specifies that for those who fulfill the government service requirements, the government will repay the full bond amount with interest to the bank in exchange for the candidate service. The total duration of service incentive bond shall be 5 years starting from completion of MBBS course, mentioned the bond policy introduced by the Haryana government back in 2022. The Haryana government introduced this policy in 2022 to encourage MBBS graduates from government or government-aided medical colleges to join government service after completing their studies. The aim is to provide affordable, quality healthcare to the public and address the gap between the demand and supply of medical professionals in the state. By incentivizing these graduates to serve in the public sector, the policy seeks to enhance and strengthen healthcare facilities across Haryana. The government of Haryana, with the objective stated in the preamble, introduces service incentive bond to incentivize the MBBS graduates to opt for government service after completion of MBBS degree in lieu of a bond of rupees 30 lakh minus total annual fee with a concession of 10% on bond amount for female candidates, mentions the policy. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.